All right, so beautiful draw on liquidity today. It was so freaking obvious where price was gonna go, and the draw is on liquidity. I just said that. Anyways, hourly time frame. What are we doing? We are respecting bearish for value gaps, and we are disrespecting bullish for value gaps. What is that telling us? That is telling us we are in a wicked downtrend, and we have been in a downtrend since January 28th. We have just been pumping lower. Terrible. Whoever is in a swing trade is getting absolutely smoked if they are in longs or long-term investments. Other than that, the trade we ended up taking today, we had a beautiful break of structure or breaker block. Very, very nice. Inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Now, yes, I would have preferred if we actually had the fair value gap get respected over here and then just a quick rejection down. But if we take the fib tool, we literally came right to discount more to the 0.75. So that was honestly just beautiful. Keeping that in mind, automatically, second I saw these two fair value gaps stacked together, I knew automatically draws on liquidity would be for the lows. So keeping that in mind, we also had a SMT on ES and NAS because they are two correlated assets. Then keeping in mind that on the 15 we have a breaker and the fair value gap getting respected and an SMT. This was obvious, very obvious shorts. Ended up coming down to the 5-minute time frame. We had a manipulation and we had that inversion for value gap. Oh my god, inversion for value gap. The second we had that break past that inversion, we took that beautiful entry. Now guys, I honestly was thinking about holding more down to this -2. And the -2 it actually never got tapped into. So thank God I ended up getting out at this -1 standard deviation. It was a quick 1-to-1. I honestly can't complain. This trade over here, I just honestly thought that once this inversion would have got completed, we would have continued lower. But I ended up just getting out of the position at break even. Screw that. I had money on the day. I didn't want to flip it into a negative, which it would have because we rejected it multiple times. Other than that, draws were so beautiful today. Second, I saw this inversion play out. We got in for that short, and this was just obvious. Guys, draws today were so clean. Honestly, very happy that we had some clean PA. And hopefully tomorrow is going to be another day and we can end off the week positive and in the green. So this week is setting up to be very nice. So let's see how it's going to end up.